Welcome back to ZK Automotor, your trusted source for the latest car reviews and automotive insights. Today, we are diving deep into the 2026 Mitsubishi L300 Minibus, a vehicle known for its practicality, reliability, and exceptional build quality. If you are looking for a spacious and durable minibus that excels in both urban and rural environments, then this is the one to watch. Stick around as we explore everything you need to know about the 2026 Mitsubishi L300 Minibus. Car details. The 2026 Mitsubishi L300 Minibus is designed to deliver exceptional practicality and reliability for urban and rural transport. Known for its robust build and spacious design, this minibus is ideal for commercial use, family transport, and long-distance travel. Mitsubishi has introduced this model with a focus on durability, fuel efficiency, and enhanced passenger comfort, making it an excellent choice for everyday commuting and business operations. Exterior part. The exterior of the 2026 Mitsubishi L300 Minibus is built with a strong, boxy design that maximizes space while maintaining a rugged and durable structure. The front features Mitsubishi's signature grille, paired with clear halogen headlights for optimal visibility during night drives. The side profile is practical, with large sliding doors that allow for easy entry and exit, making it perfect for busy streets and quick stops. The wide windows provide passengers with good visibility and proper ventilation, enhancing the overall travel experience. At the rear, the L300 is equipped with sturdy taillights and a reinforced bumper, reflecting its reliability for commercial use. Interior part. Step inside the L300 Minibus, and you'll find a spacious and well-organized cabin. Mitsubishi has designed the seating layout to maximize comfort while accommodating multiple passengers with ease. The dashboard is simple and user-friendly, with clearly marked controls for easy navigation. The seats are well cushioned, ensuring passengers have a comfortable ride even on longer journeys. The large windows not only provide great visibility but also allow for proper airflow, keeping the interior fresh and airy during commutes. Comfort level. When it comes to comfort, the 2026 Mitsubishi L300 Minibus does not compromise. The seating is spacious and well padded, offering good support for passengers. The ride quality is smooth, thanks to Mitsubishi's well-engineered suspension system that handles bumps and uneven roads effectively. Whether it's a short city ride or a long-distance trip, passengers can expect a pleasant experience with minimal discomfort. Mitsubishi has also included effective air ventilation, making it a practical choice for all weather conditions. Performance. The L300 Minibus is powered by a reliable diesel engine that delivers consistent performance across different terrains. Its manual transmission allows drivers to maintain better control while navigating through city streets and rural paths. The vehicle is fuel efficient, reducing running costs for operators. The suspension is designed to absorb shocks, ensuring passengers have a smooth ride even on rough roads, which is crucial for daily commercial use. Conclusion. The 2026 Mitsubishi L300 Minibus stands out as a highly practical and efficient choice for public transport and commercial operations. Its robust build, spacious interior, and dependable performance make it ideal for daily commutes, school transportation, and more. While it may not have high-end luxuries, it shines in reliability, cost-effectiveness, and comfort, making it a top choice for anyone seeking a durable and spacious minibus solution.